For this reason, those who try to climb from the southern part usually have a very difficult time reaching the summit. The Swiss Fritz Luxinger and Ernst Reis reached the summit of this mountain for the first time on May 18, 1956. If you want to climb this mountain, it would be useful to remind you that at certain altitudes of the mountain, you can find hostels, battery charging stations, rest stops where you can satisfy your food and drink needs, and suitable areas for camping. Speaking of breaks, it is also useful to take a breather. You can support our YouTube climb by taking a few seconds and liking the video. Have a good time,